Auditor General, which was copied to EACC, to Governor Nandi, to County Assembly of Nandi. I have those letters that were received by all offices, but OAG never responded. And in fact, I was raising issues of major projects that were being done that had been dragged for the longest time possible. The OAG, even out of courtesy, despite that being your vice chair, I expected even, and I've sat with her in the same room, to even have the basic courtesy of responding to my issues, because under Article 96, our oversight is unlimited. Because, Chair, looking at this report, and I raised concern when we were in our in-house, if the people of Busia are sitting and watching these proceedings, and we are just discussing issues of accounting, basic issues of accounting, they don't see the value for the money they get through equitable shareable. They want to know which projects have been completed, what is the value for their money, what was the timeline, Chair. And therefore, I want to ask the OAG, our people will only see the value for money if you audit the projects. We agree there could be accounting issues, the standards that you have employed, but at least give us a meet so that we are able to see. And then number two, Chair, when I represented you, my message to the OAG, to the OAG then, was that Senate and OAG should be partners, because we pray the simpler. In fact, the reason, Chair, I don't know whether MCAs of Busia are here, sometimes you pose a question and ask the local MCA whether they have a view of particular project, because we believe since they come from that area, they have a better view of things. The way Senator of Busia has a better view over all of us in this room, of course, plus the governor, on the projects that is ongoing in Busia County. So, Chair, I think with this matter and my matter, I think the OAG herself, Madam Nancy Katungu, should appear so that we don't have to waste a lot of time and resources considering a report that even all of us agree that there is nothing much on this report. It's more of accounting, academic discourse, narratives that does not even give value to the people of Busia, Chair. And finally, even looking at most of these issues, why would we sit and discuss ethnic composition about Busia? We should be discussing what Governor Otuoma has achieved in the financial year. And I want to empathize with my brother, Senator Okiya Mtata. I hope you reported to the police, because I was worried when I saw stones being pelted on you, and we were really worried for you. But if you want good tactics on how to handle such unruly overzealous goons of a governor, just consult me for free in camera. I thank you.
I'm not sure the evidence has been tendered to link the governor to the goons.
Chair, just for the comfort of the Senator of Busia, the last time